Looks like the blue bitch came through. Damn right I did.
Fuck it. Good job.
Really, bitch? I just saved your ass. Good morning, Titus, and welcome back to the news. Hope my co-anchor didn't scare you away.
I did even better without you.
Tell that to the empty bowls of ice cream in the trash.
Those come from parties.
Pity parties.
Shut up.
Anyways, today, Caillou and Doro introduced a cure for the rash affecting all the park lovers. The cure is an instant healing liquid that gets rid of not only snake bites, but 100 of all germs. Take that 0.1%.
Looks like we raised a great son after all.
Yep, all because he had a great dad like you.
No, because he had a great mom like you.
Looks like my vacation's over.
Don't act like you didn't miss me, Mom.
All right, I did. Just a little bit, though. Come here.
You feel any better, Rosie?
I'm still sick, asshole.
Crap.
Anytime, anywhere. ABC.
Who the is Aquafina?
Parents strongly caution the following programs are intended for mature audiences over the age of 18. These programs may contain some material that many parents would not find suitable for children and may include intense violence, sexual situations, coarse language, and suggestive dialogue.
Financial planning is finding your home away from home. And it's designing a plan to help get you there. Start a relationship with Citi and earn a cash bonus when you open a new eligible account and complete required activity.
People are wondering.
What's gotten into Lindsay?
She's never been sharper.
This basketball star married himself in 1996.
Who is Dennis Rodman?
Correct.
Son of a... She's sleeping better than ever, which the paparazzi aren't thrilled about.
I miss Lizzie!
She's even more productive, trading DUIs for DIY.
The verdict is...
gorgeous. Maybe it's not what's gotten into Lindsay. It's what Lindsay's gotten into.
Hey, William.
Planet Fitness. Get glowing and feel fit-tacular.
Whether you're on the road, on the job, or looking for a place to call home, Extended Stay America lets you live the way you like. With fully equipped kitchens in every room, free Wi-Fi, on-site laundry, and a flexible cancellation policy, you'll have everything you need and plenty of space that feels like your own. Extended Stay America. Make it your space.
It's BrandsMart USA's giant two-day financing event this weekend only. Pay no interest for up to 36 months on items throughout the store. Select TVs, computers, tablets, and more. At BrandsMart USA's giant two-day financing event this weekend only.
Sam's Club created the Scan and Go app just for me, so I can scan my stuff and skip the checkout line. Because that's what VIPs do.
Yeah, same.
Even my stunt double has a stunt double. How VIP is that? Scan and Go was made just for me, people. You know what was made for you? The line. Look at this. Got a little VIP lounge for me.
Guys, he's doing it again.
You smell that? That's VIP air. Go ahead, breathe it. Wait, no, don't do that. You're not VIP. Breathe it back out. Breathe it back out.
For some, owning your own salon is the American dream. If you are a hair, nail, massage, or skin professional, your dream can come true with Salons by JC. Imagine the freedom of operating in your own space. We have luxury suites fully furnished or customizable in the lucrative Caldwell Court Shopping Center. Increase your clients and your income. Visit salonsbyjc.com or stop by the model on Battleground Mondays from 10 to 2 or by appointment. Isn't it time to set your entrepreneurial spirit free?
How many cubes are there? Big Brain Academy. Brain versus brain.
I need you to see.
To all the kisses that led to this one. Celebrate every kiss with Kay.
Wealth management is planning your path together, and it's guiding you along the way. Start a relationship with Citi and earn a cash bonus when you open a new eligible account and complete required activities.
This is Go Animate Network.
National Weather Service in Upland, New York has issued a snow squall warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Northern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Orange County in southeastern New York, Putnam County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York until 3:15 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Hopewell Junction to near Bridgewater, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: whiteout conditions. Zero visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. Locations impacted include Newark, Patterson, Elizabeth, Passaic, Wayne, Plainfield, Bloomfield, Hackensack, London, New City, Orange, Newburgh, Bergenfield, Paramus, and West Milford. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.
dear. I hope Kirby shows up soon. I have so much to do.